Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm in Hawaii PTC 2022 and today I'm joined by one of the most inspiring lady in the industry, Jezzibell Gilmore. She is co-founder and chief commercial officer of PacketFabric. Jezzibell, welcome to my hotshot in a very hot location.
It is fantastic to be in Hawaii at PTC in 2022. We weren't here last year, and it is a pleasure to be here.
So Jezzibell, there's a lot of people discussing in the industry the need for the industry to become sexy again. But what does that mean, sexy in telecom?
Oh, that really, I think beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and sexy is really being beautiful, right? To being amazing and something that's different and outstanding. And so to me, I think depending on who your audience is, it could be your customer base. You should be doing something that they want, they desire, and they want to see that hasn't been done, what it's very much desired in the outcome they want to see, in types of services that they want to consume. It could be your employees, and your employees want to work for a company that is doing something great for the world and doing something great for them and having ability for them to advance in their careers. Or it could be for your investors, for your shareholders, all the stakeholders in your business, that you're doing something that not only is making money, but also doing something wonderful for the society overall.
Okay. When I started in the industry quite a long time ago, it was the sexiest industry to go into. So why is that? Is it so important for this to happen again, for the telecom industry to be sexy again? And this bird is trying to join into our interview. He's really succeeding.
That's sexy.
He's trying to be his sexy self. So yeah, why do you think it's so important?
Well, because telecom is the foundation for so much of the world today. And in order for telecom to continue to fuel the global economy, which is everything that we do, we must have new talent and new vision and new culture to drive telecom. We have not seen as much innovation in the telecom industry as we used to. We used to think, big boxes, huge routers, and amazing switches, new features, that's sexy. But really, what's sexy is the outcome of the service delivered to the customer base, to the world. And we need to have the top talent working in the telecom industry to make us sexy and to make it sexy for those talent to want to be a part of our industry.
So what do you do at PacketFabric to make the industry sexy again? How do you do your part in that?
Well, I think the most important piece from my perspective at PacketFabric is that we do things, develop new technologies, services, business offerings based on what our customers are looking for. They want innovation, they want automation, they want convenience and ease to connect to all the different destinations, whether it's applications, locations, customers, that in one place easily and quickly without having to think twice about who am I working with, how am I going to get there, and how long is that going to take.
This is so inspiring. Every time I meet you, I learn something new. I'm really inspired. Keep up your good work. Keep up inspiring the industry, and let's hope we can do that again next year.
Thank you, and you are equally as inspiring, and I'm looking forward to all of you guys for inspiration as well. So bring on the sexy and let's inspire each other.
Thank you, Jezzibell. Everyone, thank you for watching, and until the next hotshot, and let's hope that this bird is not part of it. Bye everyone.